For the pizza dough, you'll be needing flour, baking powder, and salt for the dry ingredients, and then milk and oil for the wet ingredients. For the pizza topping, since I'm only making cheese pizza, I just have cheese and tomato sauce. For the materials you need your baking pan, measuring cups. I'm using a straw for rolling the dough. Cutting board, dyan ko lalagay yung dough later, and then a bowl to mix everything. In your bowl, you have to put 1 1/3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. So this is 1 cup, and then 1/3. Next is baking powder. Here you need 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients together. You have to make a well in the middle. And then that's where you're gonna put your wet ingredients. I'm gonna put milk first. You need 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, there, 1/2 cup. 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using palm oil. Better if you use olive oil. But I don't have olive oil. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna mix it all together until maging dough-like consistency.
You can use your hand.
Yeah, you can use your hands kapag dough na siya. Make sure your hands are clean. My hands are clean. Now you need your chopping board or your board. And then sprinkle flour onto the board. Not much? That's enough now? Then you have to knead your dough for about 10 times. This is the dough. I flatten it.
Unless you can hand toss it.
No. So just do that. Okay. Now it's time to roll it. Gonna make sure na it's not sticking to the board. Unlike the other. Okay. So that's our pizza
Dough.
Pizza dough.
Pan.
Doesn't have to be a perfect circle because we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna put a cheese stuffed crust. Tama? Okay. So I'm just gonna use Eden cheese. So I'm just gonna slice the cheese. So it's like that. And then keep that on. Okay, so the slices should look like this. Like that, and then I'm gonna put it around the crust. Like so. Next, you have to fold the pizza crust to cover the cheese. Ganyan. Okay, so make sure it's locked in place. I'm not even sure if I'm explaining it correctly.
Probably.
Just look at what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Before putting on your toppings, I'm gonna transfer it into our pan. Okay. I'm gonna put a bit of oil on the pan para lang hindi mag-stick yung pizza. Just a little bit. I don't think that's enough. Yeah, like that. Okay. Just gonna put that around the pan. Okay, now we transfer it. Hopefully it fits. Okay, perfect. Kasi mahirap siya i-transfer kapag nakalagay na yung toppings. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the tomato sauce. Well, this is pasta sauce since we had pasta last night. I'm just gonna use this since may natira. Yeah, I know. I mean, there's fish in this pasta kasi that's why it's not smooth. Is that okay? Okay. So I'm just using the same cheese as a while ago. This is the pizza we made. Yung quick melt, nag-burn siya pero it still smells good.